And one of the great unit growth concepts not to buy today would be SweetGreen, which I think this is the third quarter they've reported since a public company. They've missed two of the three, and the first one, was the first one right out of the box. So they were, that was an easy one for them to beat. But so they missed again. They reported a 43 cents loss, 7 cents short of estimates. 124 million in revenue was 5.4 million below consensus, and comps of 6% was below the 8.4% comp. And then they got it down for the fourth quarter. So the stock, the last time the company reported, the stock was, it got down to 12, closed last night at 17. I said when they reported last time, the stock should be below 10, and I'm still sticking with that. I don't know why it's at 17, frankly. It's got a $2.2 billion market cap, but estimates for next year are way too high. It's trading at 4 times sales today. They'll never make money. The unit growth will ultimately slow down. This company should trade at 2 times sales or something less. So that's 50% downside right there. So that puts you, if it's 17, it's sub 10. So this should be, the stock will bottom at some point around 5, 5 to 6, when people get, when the estimates in the street come to get to closer to reality of what this company is. This is just, it's a disaster, frankly. But it's always been a disaster. It should have never come public.
The mother of all bubbles, and obviously having Elon at the heart of it is what I started with this morning. But again, everyone who's told me, that it wasn't a bubble or anything close to the dot-bomb bubble, I agreed with you. I said it was far worse and far more reaching. Whether it's a SPAC or it's sweet nothing, SweetGreen. You are a multi-billion-dollar market cap with no cash flow. Right. It's cool. I remember the day that CNBC was pumping it. I think the woman who was pumping it on the show went and ate at the salad bar. She liked it. She's never modeled a company in her life. But, back in the dot-bomb bubble, Howard, a $2 to $5 billion company would have been one of the big ones. No?
But this should not be $1 billion company. It should not.
It's like Elon, after all this, the stock's down 40% since September, is still a $600 billion company that sells 2 cars and a bunch of bullshit. And a lot of stock. Great research on this, Howard. Right out of the box. Talk about bullshit. When Howard Penney smells bullshit, man. Dan Holland says this to me all the time. He runs, our media business. He says, bullshit factor's a thing. Like, yeah, they have it or you don't. Howard Penney, top of the pile when it comes to sniffing that stuff out. Well done.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.